OK，Form Two 嘅同學大家好啊！咁今日就由我同大家講一講Section 7.2個 assignment。咁其實 Section 7.2咧，我哋今年用咗本新嘅 activity books 啊。咁所以其實7.2咧就唔係淨係做 burning 嘅，亦都包括埋咧 respiration 嘅，得唔得？咁同學仔睇下你啲 key point 呢度係咪 complete sentence 啦？咁如果打咗你交叉嘅，咁你喺書入邊，如果你揾翻真係嗰啲 key points，你抄翻落去，你起碼真係知道嗰啲嘢係重要，我哋考試會考嘅咁樣。咁我哋先講咗 multiple choice 先啦。咁第一條問題 ，Which of the following is not a component of the fire triangles？ 咁水就唔係啦，唔使諗噶啦。Which forms of energies are given out during burning？ 咁燃燒嘅時候有啲咩 energies 會 given out 啊 ？Heat energy 一定有噶啦 ，light energy 都有噶啦。Sound energy 有冇咧？嗱，有時燃燒嘅時候咧，啲空氣膨脹咧係會產生一啲聲音嘅，咁所以咧 sound energies 咧都有機會有。Which of the following method cannot put out the fire？ 邊個唔得咧 ？Pulling a bucket of sand 倒啲沙落去個火度啦，呢個應該得嘅。Spraying waters 就咁噴啲水，呢個我都唔 sure 嘅。Spraying 就咁噴嘅啫。Applying carbon dioxide to fires 呢個一定得嘅。Apply oxygen 話梗係唔得啦，咁所以答案一定係 D 嘅啦。佢問你 cannot 啫嘛。好啦 ，Which of the following are the working principles of carbon dioxide fire extinguishers？ 咁啊，二氧化碳嘅滅火筒，佢嘅運作原理係點咧？咁咧 ，carbon dioxide does not support combustion 呢個一定先㗎啦。跟住咧 ，carbon dioxide help cool down the fuel， 可以 cool down 個 fuel。二氧化碳 cool 唔 cool down 到嘅咧 ？cool down 唔到嘅喎，應該係水先吸收到熱嘅。Carbon dioxide is denser than air， 呢個啱啦。It sinks and prevents oxygen from reaching the fuels。咁呢句好 complete 啦。咁其實個答案咧就係 boy 啦，所以好啦，繼續睇啦。When there is a fire, fumes are all around. We need to crawl on the floors while escaping to avoid being hurt by 唔關事嘅。Avoid inhaling too much familiar fumes 向上升嘅，咁所以呢個啱啦。跟住 because crawling requires less energy 呢個梗係唔啱嘅，咁答案就係 A 啦。好，再睇啲 structured questions 啦。跟住咧要你答咧就係究竟以下嗰啲嘢可唔可以 put out fires 嘅？咁 water 咧做咗一半俾你嘅 ，water 就梗係 can put out fires 啦。咁因為 because 咧 water can reduce the temperature of the fire。咁佢吸咗嗰啲熱咧，會降低咗嗰個火個溫度，咁就有機會個火會熄啦。咁而 carbon dioxide 咧，咁你用翻上面個 patterns can put out fire because 咁點解啊？呢個就比較長少少啦。It is denser than air。And sink to prevent oxygen reaching the fire。咁就係講，當佢密度係高過密度較高嘅意思啊！呢個係。當佢密度較高嘅時候咧，佢就會沉咗落底咧。呢個係解沉嘅意思，就會防止到啲 oxygen 咧就會接觸到個火。咁個火冇咗 oxygen，咪你咪 remove 咗 fire triangle 入邊其中一個 component， 咁個火咪會熄咯。好啦 ，a piece of papers 啦。 paper I can not 啦。咁嗱，你講咗前面嘅情況啦，跟住你要解釋啦。Because it is flammable and is the fuel for burning。咁佢係燃料嚟嘅，咁紙燒得着㗎嘛，係嘛？咁另外碳啦，亦都唔得啦。Because it is flammable and is the fuel for burning。咁其實同上面嘅答案係一樣，好類同㗎啦。咁至於 inert gas 咧 ，inert gas 其實係講緊啲咩咧 ？inert gas 咧就係 refer to 個 noble gases。咁 noble gases 我哋知道佢 no reactions 㗎。咁所以其實佢咧都可以 put out fire，咁但係佢嘅答案咧就比較特別啲，can put out fire because they are unreactive and can prevent oxygen reaching。最緊要係咧，如果當你有大量嘅呢啲氣體包住個火嘅時候咧，咁 oxygen 咧就接觸唔到佢啦。好啦，跟住你繼續睇啦 ，oxygen 接觸唔到火，跟住繼續睇咧，下邊咧就會係講到我哋做完燃燒食物之後 release 幾多 energy 嗰個實驗啦。咁佢呢度講咧就係嗰個零食咧，我哋用咗有5 gram 啦。咁另外就係個水溫咧就上升咗15度攝氏。咁我哋就要用溫度上升咗幾多咧嚟去判斷究竟個食物入邊有幾多能量嘅。咁 write down the work equations for burning 啦。咁 burning 嗰個 work equations 咧，你寫得清楚就 fuel 加 oxygen 就會變做 water 加 carbon dioxide 加 energy， 咁啲 energy 咧就 release 咗出嚟。咁因為佢係 word equations 啦，咁所以你一定要用全寫嘅，你唔可以寫 symbol 嘅。跟住啦 ，what is the conversions of energies in the burning process？ 咁 burning process 嗰個 energy conversions 係點㗎？喺個 fuel 入邊嘅能量係咩嚟㗎？係啲 chemical energy 嚟㗎。咁咩叫 conversions 啊 ？conversions 就係個轉變啊嘛。咁所以你亦都可以咧用個箭嘴嚟去顯示㗎。chemical energies 會變做咩咧？咁最主要咧，其實就會變做 heat energies 啦，同埋 light energies 嘅，得唔得？咁越熱咧就即係越多能量啦，越光亦都即係越多能量嘅。咁視乎佢究竟入邊有幾多 chemical energies 啦。咁呢就要你跟住之後再要你計咧 calculate the temperature rise per grams of X 啊。咁 per gram 係咩意思啊？每一 gram 嘅食物，每一 gram 嘅 X 究竟令到嗰支 boiling tube 嘅水溫上升幾多？咁如果係咁咧，其實就係15/5，咁所以答案應該係3咯。而個單位咧係 degree Celsius per gram， 得唔得？咁你記得一定要有單位啊！你冇單位咧，一定錯嘅。好啦，跟住啦，要你 suggest 2 variables to be kept constant， 要維持不變，保持穩定嘅。咁好多人都答到咧，就係第一樣就係個 volume of waters 咯。 咁呢個冇問題㗎啦。即係你做唔同嘅 snack 嘅時候 X、Y、Z， 我哋上面呢度用幾多啊？25個 cm cube 嘅水嘅，你呢個 amount of waters 咧應該都係25個 cm cube 咁先係 fair test 㗎嘛。好啦，跟住有啲人就話啦，咁X、Y、Z 嗰個食物嘅重量係咪都要用5 gram 咧？嗱，其實你諗清楚，如果你心水清，你知道我哋呢一度咧計咗 temperature rise per gram 㗎。咁所以唔同重量嘅食物，其實只要我哋度咗燒之前度咗佢幾重咧，我哋可以用翻 temperature rise per gram 嚟去公平咁樣比較嗰個溫度嗰個上升。咁所以呢度咧，如果你講個 snack 嘅重量咧，嗰個零食嘅重量咧，其實唔 relevant 嘅。咁仲有啲咩方法？仲有啲咩 variables 我哋要 keep constant 嘅咧？其實有好多㗎，例如話你嗰個 thermometers 擺嘅位置啦，甚至乎咧個火咧個燃燒咧同個 boiling tube 之間嗰個溫嗰個距離啊，個 distance 啊，呢個其實如果太遠嘅話，啲熱係咪未必會直接燒到落個，未必俾嗰啲水吸收咗，或者走咗去空氣度都唔定。咁所以咧，其實即係反而係個 distance of 個 fire。Distance 應該係 distance between the fire and the boiling tube. The boiling tube 得唔得？咁唯獨是咁樣，你先可以公平咁樣去比較到大家嘅距離，個火同個 boiling tube 嘅距離都一樣嘅。咁我哋就可以假設咧，有幾多熱咧，都同樣被吸收晒啦。咁樣，咁最後就係、好啦。如果 snack Y has greatest amount of energy 就，你會 expect 個結果 of temperature rise 會點咧？咁就係咁嘅話咧 ，Y will have the greatest rise in temperature per gram of food being burned。咁應該會有最上升得最多嘅嗰個溫度應該係。咁其實都係睇翻個預期結果嘅啫。咁呢份功課我哋講到呢度啦。咁如果同學仲有嘢問咧，可以上堂問老師啦。咁下個 section 我哋再見啦，拜拜。